Well, alrighty. Today, we're going to cook us up some burgers. And this is probably the first burger I've prepared that I'm willing to put my name on, so we're going to call it the MOJO Burger. We're going to start off by grinding up some meat. And what I have here, I have 2 pounds of brisket that I've had wet aging in the fridge for about a month. Over here, I've got some trimmings off of a beef tenderloin, 3 pounds of it. And this here is a pound of bacon, if I can keep it in my hands. So that's going to be the meat mixture. So all we got to do now is grind it. Make sure you keep your metal bits in the freezer. That way everything will stay a little bit more cold while we're grinding here. So let's run this 6 pounds of meat one time through the grinder. And I'm using probably like a number 10 die, whatever you call them things. And once we get that run through, I want to incorporate these meats a little better. So I'm just going to run them through again using the same, what did I call it a while ago? Die? Blade? Not a blade. Anyway, that little thing with holes in it. And there we have it. And this is the part where you can make up your own mind if you want quarter-pound burgers, smash burgers, whatever you want. And I'm going for the half-pound variety, because I'm a big boy and I like to eat. So all we're going to do is pat them out. And I'm not a fan of seasoning your meat before you pat them out. I just think you're going to overwork it. Pat them out as least as you can to make them look good. Stick them over the side. And we're going to get us about 6 burgers. Not out of the whole mixture. We're going to freeze the rest of it, because I'm going to come up with some more ideas for this meat. Now let's cover up, and I'm going to stick her in the fridge overnight. That way these things will be set up good and ready to go on the grill. And so, it's the next day. Another shirt. We're going to make us up a little mayo mixture here. We'll just call this Mojo Mayo, because it's pretty good. We're going to get 3 heaping tablespoons of Dukes. And then about 3 cloves of garlic, or about 6 little ones. The juice of half of a lemon, a little salt. Nope, first we're going to get some Worcestershire sauce. We're probably going to go about 2 teaspoons. A little salt and pepper to taste. Then we're just going to give her a good stir here until it gets real bright. And we're going to put it in the fridge and let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. And for a little vegetable intake, let's get us some onions. Pull out a mandolin. Not the kind that you play tunes on, but the kind that slices stuff. And cut you up a whole onion, real thin. Hit it with a little Mojo beef, because we're going to make it Mojo. Give her a little toss there. And then we're going to add us a little breading, using that Wonder flour again, because there's some good stuff. Once you get that coated, you don't have to go too heavy. We're going to push it over the side and get these burgers started. Now, I paid a lot of money for these patties when I think about it. So we're going to go simple. We're just going to go a little salt and a little pepper. That's it. Because I know because I've ate them. This beef is very, very flavorful. And flip them over. Do the other side. And Mojo tip of the day. Take your thumb, Fogo charcoal and all on it. And press you some indentions in the middle of them patties. That'll keep them from blowing up like a softball on the grill. And possibly shrinking a little bit. For this cook, we're going with a Weber. And I've got the Vortex in the middle, because I really don't know what the fat ratio on this meat is. So I figured cooking over direct coals, I could possibly have an inferno. So we're going to stick these around this. We're going to run it wide open with a little chunk of cherry. And we're going to get her covered up. Head inside. Work on them onions just a little bit more. Once you get you some oil up to about 350, dump them our onion straws in there. We're going to cook them, about 4-5 minutes, or just until they're nice and golden brown, however you would like to cook them to your liking. Yep, and once they're done, we're going to go back out. Salt them a little bit if you want to, and we're going to take them out the grill for a little snack while we are checking on these burgers. So we're about 20 minutes in. I'm going to give them a flip. I don't think we would have to, but this just adds a little dramatic flair to the, speaking of flair, them hands is bright. We're going to give them a flip, test them. We're setting about 135. And if you put that vent up front, I think you got a better heat distribution around them burgers. So we're going to check them again. What I'm looking for is about 145 degrees. So I can throw on this very luminescent American cheese on it. And that's 145. So when that cheese turns this color right here, those burgers are done. So let's get them off, go inside, let's build this burger and get to eating. Because, man, I wish I had enough to feed every one of you. These things are amazing. So there we have it. We're going to get to the side. Get your brioche bun, because brioche buns are awesome. Toast it up. We're going to start out with a little Mojo Mayo on the bottom. And if it helps, I don't even like mayonnaise. But this stuff right here is legit. Alrighty, so we're going to put on us a big old patty. Now it's time for the vegetables. Make sure you use a lot of vegetables, because vegetables are great. Well, when they're in pickle form, all other vegetables suck. But alrighty, get you a good handful of onion straws. Press them on there. And let's hit her with some barbecue sauce. Your favorite barbecue sauce will work. Mine just happens to be House of Barbecue right now from some friends right here in the great state of Tennessee. Get on that top bun, and there you have it. A beautiful creation, the MOJO Burger. So, as every week and every YouTuber does, let's split her down the middle. Dull your knife up on that there slate. And here's the reveal shot. What have we got? Perfection. I mean, a burger, it's kind of like a steak. Don't cook it well done. Another Mojo tip, only squeeze your meat for a video. All you're doing is wasting that flavor. And we're going in for the bite. Guys, I really, it's hard to explain with words. This meat is so tender, so beefy. Then you got your bacon built in with the beef, and man, this is just amazing. If you need to, save up a little money, get you a beef tenderloin, get you a brisket, get you some bacon, grind it, make these burgers. Life-changing experience right here. Hey, I gotta go, guys. Love you.